guys, it's your girl Damo and I'm back to bring you guys another video. So today we have another unboxing video. I'm super excited because it was love at first sight. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below because I'll greatly appreciate it. So let's get into it. Whew. Your girl was able to cop the Gorge Green Air Jordan 1. I was able to hit off of sneakers, which was weird because usually I don't hit on sneakers at all. Like, it's rare. It's like the lottery. If it happens, I'm excited, but for the most part it doesn't. But this time I was able to hit off sneakers and I got a size 6Y, 6 youth, 6th grade school, whatever you want to call it. This is what they look like. I'm super excited to get into these sneakers. I haven't opened them. Ooh, these sneakers are fire. Yeah, these babies are fire. I honestly wish these would have released when I was in high school because these are my high school colors. Like, this would have been fire. So I know all the kids at my old high school, they're going crazy with these sneakers on. These is dope. But this is what they look like. Again, these are the Gorge Green Air Jordan 1s, grade school size, 6 youth. Oof, these are fire. Like, me just holding it, I could feel that the quality on these are A1. Like, the leather is durable. It's not like Jordan, maybe I'm gonna say 3 years ago, 2 years ago, they started using that like plasticky leather for the ones, and you can tell like soon as you step the toe box crease. But this leather, it's more durable and you can feel that it has like snapback, not snapback, but it won't crease as easy. Like, just by me touching it, I could tell that it's like a more higher quality of leather. Like, it has room to give and it bounces back, which is what I like in my ones, because you know, ones, they're very flat. So of course everyone's ones are creased. It doesn't matter who you are or how you walk, your ones are gonna get creased in the toe area, period. But the leather on these, fire. The colorway on these, fire. I'm not sure why so many people slept on these, but I feel like these are a pair of Jordans that people are sleeping right now, but once they're gone, everybody's gonna be like, yo, I should have copped those, but it's too late. Now you gotta pay resale. But if I'm able to find these, I'm gonna definitely link these down below so you guys can pick them up. So yeah, again, they paid a little bit of details on them because the swoosh on these are silver, and also when you go into the sneaker, the tongue, the back of the tongue is actually like a metallic-y silver too, which is pretty cool. I like how, you know, little attention to detail is always nice. The wing is also silver and it has the black Air Jordan wing with the basketball. Try to get it to focus. So that's pretty cool. But all in all, I'm very excited to have these. Like, these are fire. I know I keep saying that they fire, but when I say something's fire, it's fire. Like, I'm gonna tell the truth. If these was garbage, if the quality was trash, I would have said it. But the quality on these, I'm not even gonna hold you. They did their big one with this one. They definitely did their big one with this one. But I wonder if we got the extra shoelaces. I do see that we got the infamous sticker. I wish that they would go back to the sneaker cards. Like, those was the time. The sneaker cards, fire. If you hear snoring, that's my dog. She's like sleeping right next to me. Baby, Jordan is doing a big one. Big one. What is this? So actually we do have the extra shoelaces, and this is what they look like. They're coming in this box. I think this box is nice. It has a nice touch. It gives it a little bit of razzle dazzle, something special. And it says move to zero, next journey towards a zero carbon and zero waste future. So I do like this. I prefer this box over the little plastic baggie that they used to like tag and hang off the sneakers. I think this is, you know, it's more appealing to the eye. So I'm glad that JB is actually, you know, trying to step up their bars, because the price of the sneakers keep going up, and yeah, give us a little bit of extra something with it. So the grade school pair, we do come with the regular green laces that are in it, and we also get the extra white laces, which is cool. So love that for me. Not that I really change my laces, but you know, sometimes when I'm in a mood, when I'm feeling it, I do change my laces. So these are what they look like. These again are the Air Jordan 1 Gorge Greens. Fire. Quality is top notch A1. Pick them up if you find them. So let's get into the try on haul with these babies. Let's get it. Let the band play.
Hey, whichever wanna come get it, I got it. I'm giving out work, I'm apply. Yeah. Talking that shit, then they saying my name and I can't keep just letting it fly. They got a sub, they got a tweet, they gotta go get they hunger for me. If I was still doing broke, you broke, and you broke, they it won't be. Hey, when I start getting money, I'ma tell you the truth. All the f***s that was hating got their cut loose. Know a little business, wanna put it in the news. They'll take it to the net, but I'ma take it to the booth. Give a in, she'll take it to the moon. Or let her start a pot and I'ma get a boom. I'm the one, you ain't even the two. You would never be hey. If I wouldn't. Whole lot of fake air, backstabbing, hate, no money getting. Is y'all acting really ungrateful? I'm sparing you home. Think of the bitch y'all getting this. Whole lot of fake air, hate, and no money getting. I really been sparing you, getting your girl hate me, cause I been shitting all y'all. I'm the mother, pimp, rent of a trick daddy's only y'all here by now. Perkins is popping, is potent, the shit they be tweeting, they gotta be smart. Every favorite get played with. I'm the type of bitch jealous who can't hang with. Next to the head of the bitch, cause I'm flexible. He tryna come fit that dick in my schedule. Cross all on my neck like I'm Betty Ripple. Boy, stop liking on my place before you get in trouble. I don't need a team or a bitch can afford me. When y'all hoes still gotta call y'all sorority. Hollywood shit, cause I'm with all the action. Ain't your boyfriend, you can stop all the acting. If you coming for me, then you need to come hard. She ain't shaking, I ain't doing my job. Whole lot of fake air, backstabbing, hate, no money getting. Is y'all acting really ungrateful? I'm sparing you home. Think of the bitch y'all getting this. Whole lot of fake air, hate, and no money getting. I really been sparing you, getting your girl hate me, cause I been shitting on y'all.
Thank you guys for joining me in my video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be in the loop when I post all my videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you just come back and watch your good sis videos. Just make sure. That's a to-do list for you. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video.